Next, we discuss this production of alcohol, wine, and vinegar. Okay, do you know that the yeast? So, yeast is a fermentation product here. So, it will be breakdowns of the sugar produces alcohol and carbon dioxide. So, that alcohol. Okay, it will be very helpful for that in this that alcohol production. So, alcohol is a byproduct of this alcohol, wine, and vinegar is a byproduct. So, wine is a vinegar byproduct of this. It comes. Making with the help of that in the barley, wheat, rice, and crushed fruit juices. So it is a energy drinks. Okay, so the yeast is allowed to grow the natural sugars present in barley, wheat, rice, and crushed fruit juice. So next one is the manufacture of medicines and vaccines. So bacteria and fungi is a very helpful for that the antibiotics. It's a making of this antibiotics. So antibiotics or medicines are the stop growth of disease causing microorganisms. Okay, so do you know that this is a penicillin? So penicillin is a wonderful antibiotic. Okay, so it is discovered by this Alexander Fleming. Okay, so a drug is used to number of infections, streptomycins, tetracycline, erythromycins. It is some other commonly used antibiotics, bacteria and fungi. So you have to observe in this the tablets. Tablets la எழுதிருப்பாங்க. Erythromycins, streptomycins இதெல்லாம் எழுதிருப்பாங்க. So vitamin B complex tablets you have to observe this making of this bacteria and yeast. Okay, insulin. So insulin is a diabetic patients are used. So it is a measure of this Escherichia coli bacteria. So E. coli bacteria. So next one is a virus to prepare for this vaccines. So disease causing, for example, the polio vaccine is made up of by this using the polio virus. So rabies virus is made up of this rabies virus. So அந்த வைரஸில் இருந்து எடுத்து அந்த என்ன செஞ்சுருவாங்க antibiotics it will be used. So the capacity to cause the disease can be reduced. So that infections rate it will be reduced. Okay, so amount it will be reduced. So the vaccine must be given to this the persons beaten by the rabbit animals. So rabbit animals like dog, fox, cat and pet. நாய்க்கடி இதெல்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. So within the 14 hours that vaccination is injected into the body. So the vaccination introduces that antibodies in our body. So vaccination means contains dead or weakened microbes. Dead and weakened microbes enters into the human body. So it will activate. Okay, it will be activate and produce the antibodies. It will be against the antigens. So antibodies fight the disease causing microorganisms. The antibodies retain the body and prevent the occurrence of some causal diseases. Next one is the best example. It is oral drops. Oral drops, if it give this injections are available for this diseases like measles, chickenpox, hepatitis, tuberculosis. Okay. So next I will give you the homeworks. So in the book exercise 4th Roman letter, answer the following questions in one sentence. Okay, so where do you microorganisms live? Page number 27. Okay, page number 27 you take it. So microorganisms live. Okay, so you write it. It is a take out microorganisms. Okay, microorganisms live in air, water, soil, hot spring, snow, saline, taking fresh and with this plants and animals. Up to this plants and animals. So next one it is. So next question is what are the planktons? Phytoplanktons. Okay, phytoplanktons. So unicellular algae. Phytoplanktons are this that unicellular algae. It is found in water. Phytoplanktons. So phytoplanktons are plant that floating the microorganisms. Like floating the microorganisms up to this. Okay. So next one. So what is mainly produced during the fermentation? What is mainly produced? So page number. So the yeast is fermentation அப்போ தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay, the yeast is breaks down sugar, produces alcohol and carbon dioxide gas. This process is known as fermentation. Okay, so next one it is that name any 2 food products made with the help of the microorganisms: curd, cheese and bread making. Okay, 2 food products. Next one is which type of microorganisms cause the polio? polio. Okay, which cause? You see that polio virus are used to prepare the vaccinations. Used this for example, the polio vaccine is made up of using the polio virus. Okay, the polio vaccine is made up of this polio virus. Okay, so fourth la fifth question. Okay, fourth la fifth question. So next one. So next one it is what are antibodies? What are antibodies? So page number 32. This one up to this vaccinations and antibodies. Back to this vaccinations. It start from this vaccinations and up to antibodies. Okay. So next one. So fifth Roman letter la. So differentiate this between aerobic and anaerobic bacteria. Say page number. So page number 28. Okay, bacteria can be aerobic and anaerobic. So aerobic bacteria require the oxygen for respiration and anaerobic bacteria do not need the oxygen. They respire in the absence of oxygen. Okay. So next one. So page number 28. Okay. So algae are plant-like while the protozoa are animal-like organism. Explain. Okay, protozoa. So this one. Okay. So up to this, protozoa is a singular, as are unicellular animal-like organisms, paramecium and amoeba and protozoa. They are found in stagnant water. So so up to this, next algae. So algae are extremely widespread. Algae are extremely widespread. Most live in water, while this packet. Okay. So fifth Roman letter, second question. Okay, fifth Roman letter, second question. Next microscope on. So next phytoplanktons live near the surface of water. Okay, why? Page number 29. Okay, page number 29. So this one, okay, the phytoplanktons require the light to photosynthesis. They live near the surface of the water body. They live in ponds, lakes, rivers and oceans. So some algae such as the seaweeds multicellular and form large colonies. Okay, students, you must write. So understand.